You're just giving away sugar?
Of course, it's Domino Sugar. It wouldn't be Sugar Fest without Domino Sugar.
Bags of sugar for kids. Yeah.
You're welcome. Tell all the parents you're welcome.
Sweet dreams are made of this. Who am I to disagree?
Who wants sugar?
Me!
What do you want?
Snowballs.
What about you?
Cupcakes.
Snowballs and cupcakes?
Yeah.
Both?
Yeah.
All right, but don't tell mommy.
Okay.
All right, because it's Sugar Fest.
Okay.
No rules. All sugar, all the time.
Okay.
Yes, it is a celebration of sugar, with confections, cookies, and cakes.
Extra sugar. Extra sugar. High five me for extra sugar.
But at its sweetheart, Sugar Fest is a family fest of things that kids love as much as candy.
Winner! The girls love it, but I'm quite sure this is how Stephen King started. Right here. Clowns. Clowns.
There is also the famous donut eating contest.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. Tom Gregory with us, who's competing in his very first donut eating competition, if I'm not mistaken.
Very first and very last donut eating contest, right here.
Here, all pretense of a balanced diet disappears.
These holes are going down, or they're coming up. One of the two. There is no in between. Hey girls, don't try this at home. All right, my loves, don't try this at home. This is not healthy eating.
There's a whole lot of holes that are waiting to be inhaled.
One, start eating those holes!
The thrill of victory and the agony of indigestion.
Tom Gregory saying, what did I get myself into in historic Old Arabi?
Some can meet the challenge and succeed.
We getting close to a win on this side here.
Others, like me, concede to those that hungered more for the glory.
There we go, we got a third place winner. Tom Gregory, you missed the congeniality, but that's really good. Hey, let's give it up for our champion.
That is not any way to enjoy a Gerald's donut. There's better ways to eat Gerald's donuts. Slowly, with coffee. Woo, sugar buzz.
The sugar buzz will fade, but the family memories of a day will remain. A day where parents said yes. Yes to sweets, and yes to the Old Arabi Sugar Fest.